You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to feel healthier. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the everyday foods sitting right in your kitchen. These aren't superfoods hyped up by marketing. These are simple, real foods backed by science foods that fuel your energy, strengthen your body, and help your mind stay sharp. So let's get into it: 10 everyday foods that can naturally boost your health, starting today. And as you go through this list, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know which of these you're already eating or plan to add. 1. Oats. The slow-burning energy booster. Oats are a whole grain that fuels your body with long-lasting energy. They're high in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. Whether you eat them as overnight oats or warm porridge, this one food can transform your mornings. Bonus, they're cheap and easy to prepare. 2. Eggs, the complete protein source. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods out there. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, which makes them a perfect protein source. Plus, they're rich in choline, a key nutrient for brain function. Don't fear the yolk, that's where most of the nutrition lives. Like what you're hearing so far? Tap that like button and share this video with someone who could use a health upgrade naturally. 3. Spinach, a micronutrient powerhouse. Spinach might seem boring, but it's one of the most nutrient-rich foods per calorie. Loaded with iron, magnesium, and folate, it supports red blood cell production and muscle function. Even just tossing a handful into your smoothie or stir-fry can elevate your nutrient intake instantly. 4. Greek yogurt, gut and immune support. Greek yogurt gives you probiotics that nourish your gut and support your immune system. It also contains calcium and high levels of protein, more than traditional yogurt. Choose the plain, unsweetened kind to avoid hidden sugars, and top it with berries or nuts for a well-rounded snack. Speaking of berries, 5. Blueberries, antioxidant-rich and brain-friendly. These little gems are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are linked to improved memory and reduced inflammation. Blueberries are also low in sugar and calories, but high in flavor. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them by the handful. If you're finding this list helpful so far, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about real, sustainable wellness you can actually stick with. 6. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It contains allicin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Regular garlic consumption may support immune function, reduce blood pressure, and even improve cholesterol levels. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or roasted veggies. It's an easy way to boost both taste and health. 7. Sweet potatoes, the balanced carb. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, and complex carbs that support energy without the crash. Unlike refined carbs, they digest slowly, stabilizing your blood sugar and helping you stay satisfied. Roasted, mashed, or air-fried, they're versatile and delicious. 8. Walnuts, brain and heart support. Out of all nuts, walnuts have the highest levels of plant-based omega-3s. They support brain health, reduce inflammation, and may lower the risk of heart disease. A small handful a day goes a long way. Just keep your portions in check. Nuts are calorie-dense but incredibly nutrient-rich. 9. Lentils, plant protein plus fiber. Lentils are an underrated protein source that's also loaded with fiber, iron, folate, and magnesium. They're cheap, filling, and incredibly versatile. Whether in soups, curries, or salads, lentils help regulate blood sugar and support digestion. They're a go-to if you're trying to eat more plant-based without sacrificing protein. 10. Apples, the all-around health hero. Yes, the old saying still holds up. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants that support gut health, reduce inflammation, and help regulate blood sugar. They're also incredibly portable, perfect for an on-the-go snack without any prep. Pair an apple with some nut butter, and you've got a satisfying snack with balanced macros. Here's the takeaway. You don't need to change everything overnight, but adding just a few of these everyday foods into your routine can make a huge difference in how you feel, move, and think. It's not about restriction, it's about nourishment. It's about choosing foods that support you, not stress you out. And the best part? These foods are simple, affordable, and available almost everywhere. If this helped shift your perspective on healthy eating even just a little, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos like this. And let me know in the comments, Which of these foods do you already love? And which one are you going to start adding in today? Let's build a lifestyle that supports our health, not with extremes, but with small, consistent choices. See you in the next video.